Snoring and Sleep Apnea Center. A question I often get asked is, what is AHI? My doctor talked to me about it. What does that mean? So AHI means Apnea Hypopnea Index. It's the number of times that you stop breathing or are under breathing per hour. And apnea means is where your airway completely closes down. A hypopnea is where you're just under breathing. And so it's normal to have these pauses in breathing up to 5 times an hour. But if you're doing 5 to 15 pauses per hour, that's mild sleep apnea. 15 to 30 is moderate sleep apnea. And then above 30, that's severe sleep apnea. Now, health risks for sleep apnea are proportional to the amount of apnea you have. So that's why we care about things like apnea hypopnea index. We want to get that number as low as we possibly can. Well, that was it. So if you have any questions, give us a call. You want to talk more about this? Our number is 206-770-0260. Always subscribe and we'll do more videos.